Hi, my name is Joe Powell, a technology-focused trainer with the ITAM Academy. Welcome to our 2-minute tech tips for IT asset management professionals. In this episode, we will look at some ways ITAM tool agents collect information from your estate. So, you've installed an agent on your Windows OS-based machines, but what sort of information do they look for? Firstly, all applications have some details against them, such as the executable file name, a version number, and publisher. When applications are installed, they also should leave an entry in the Windows Registry. This is how Windows stores additional information about the application. Agents read these keys to get this additional information. Recognizing some vendors do not always provide enough information in these areas, the ISO 19770 standard provides software ID tags, or SWID tags, to allow manufacturers to embed extra metadata against their applications to make identification easier. Sadly, only a few manufacturers use these SWID tags. For other operating systems, agent data gathering functions in much the same way, and the agents read the file details and operating system package manager lists, as these act like a registry of what's installed. Agents therefore use multiple ways to get the information needed about what's installed within an operating system and send this onto your ITAM tool for use in your ITAM processes. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more 2-minute tech tips from the ITAM Academy.